I've got my favorites for the month of March. Stay tuned if you want to see what I'm enjoying. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight, and I want to talk to you about some things that I am enjoying. My favorites aren't always makeup related, so I hope that doesn't disappoint you. I know I do have some viewers who aren't that into makeup, and they will love some of this stuff. But since I said the word makeup so many times, let's start with makeup, and there's only one item. Tray stick. You may have recalled me getting this in a beauty box, and so I'm wearing it right now. And it's gorgeous. I love it. I don't know what it is about it. This is not the actual stick. It actually comes apart, and watch this. Watch this. This is the cool part. I damaged it trying to show you the cool part. Oh no, that really makes me sad. I mean, I have a literal tear in my eye. The cool part, now I don't even want to show you, is that it's magnetized. Okay. Nothing else can be good from here on out, but I'll do my best. Last month, I showed you a salad that I was loving, and I still love that salad, and I'm still eating it occasionally. But I found these. This is Bumblebee, but I know that the Starkist has a similar one. I actually kind of prefer this. It's smaller, it's fewer calories, so I may have, I may have a handful of almonds or something to go with it. But it's tuna salad, and it's already pre-mixed in this. And you just open it up, spoon it onto your crackers, and you chow. With the Starkist, you do get a little bit more. Therefore, it's a few more calories, and you mix it all up in the little tray they give you. Either one is an excellent option for lunch. These are grab and go, but they're also really great for if your preschooler is ready for a nap. Okay, if you have been watching this channel long, you know that I am obsessed with the Dollar Tree. Let me show you what I found. I know these just look like regular sunglasses. I know that's what they look like, and they're not even that cute, but yes, they are. Don't say that to me. They're cute. They're kind of small, though, don't you think? But I like them, and I got one in every color because these are readers. You heard me correct. These are readers. Now, in a previous video, I had found, for the first time ever, sunglasses that were readers, but they were bifocal lenses. These entire things are the lenses. So you can wear them and look anywhere, and you don't have to push them down your nose to see over the top of them, or take them off if you're talking to somebody, because if you only wear them for reading, you do that sometimes. Fabulous. Bought them in every color. Dollar Tree. Gotta kind of hunt for them because these were on an end cap and not with the other sunglasses. Now, I know everyone's tried Super Goop but me, and I believe I had a sample a while back that I didn't care for. But this Super Goop Everyday Sunscreen in SPF 50 is absolute perfection. I just want you to see it again, because if you're looking for a good summer sunscreen, this is it. It's thick, but it soaks right into your skin. I put it all over my face. I could apply makeup later, no problem. It does not affect makeup at all. Rub it on my arms. I use it everywhere because you know what? It's also reasonably priced, so you don't mind using it all over your face. My holy grail for my face is oil of Olay, but I wouldn't dare put oil of Olay all over my body because it wouldn't be cost effective. But this will go everywhere. Even my husband has started reaching for this in the morning. And if you understood how big of a deal that was, your mind would be blown. The next thing I've really been enjoying is also a lotion. This one is called Hydro Lift. The label's coming off. By La Vie. And I actually will have a complete unboxing and review coming up on this soon, but I am so surprised with how much I like this. I mean, I have no proof of this. You know, when you use skincare, you don't always know, is it me? Is it the skincare? What's going on here? I just feel like I'm having really good skin days. I just feel like my skin is glowing and, young looking, and I like it. I mean, I can't think of adjectives to describe it, but I really like it. I feel good in it. And that's what skincare is all about anyway, is how we feel about it. Because people aren't judging us as harshly as we're judging ourselves. Comment below if you are your own worst critic. And if you're not, tell all of us what you're doing to get past that. That's been one of the hardest things for me to overcome, is seeing myself the way other people see me. We're gonna be crying here soon. Let's move on. The next thing is the most perfect bra. Let me take it off for you. Just kidding. I brought one. I brought it for you. I have this one in pink, but I also have it in white, and I don't think that it came in any other colors, but I always go for the lightest colors anyway. And I don't want to show you it open because I've got some boob sweat on it. But it's a foam. It does have a foam cup, but it's a very, very thin foam cup. It doesn't come out. So if you really hate foam cups, then you should get rid of it. But it's not one of those gigantic foam cups. If you're looking for a bra that's going to boost you up and suck you in, this ain't that. But if you're looking for a comfortable bra that you can wear any day of the week, that does give good support, but feels comfortable, this is the bra for you. It's nice and stretchy. It's got the, 3 rows of buckles, so as you wear it out, they get stretchier and then you can continue to wear it. I'm stumbling over my words today, goodness. But it's got this really nice thick band here. And it's just, it's got this little part. It does a great job of soaking up sweat, girl. I'm always sweating. It's just so comfortable. It feels like a nursing bra without the functionality of a nursing bra. Super comfortable. No underwire. I cannot stand underwire. So I'm always looking for a bra that is supportive without the underwire, and this is it. And the last thing is in my hair, and it is my flexi that I've been wearing all month long, pretty much every single day. I either wear it in a ponytail, a low ponytail like I just had, but I did do a couple high ponytails and got complimented on that. This is just a super simple one, but I don't know, what is it? It's the color maybe, it's just super simple. If you've never used a flexi, you're missing out. This is the simplest and easiest and quickest and most beautiful way to do your hair every day, and I sell them. So I'll have this link for you below, and you can just jump on over to my website and have a look at what I've got. I'm going to link everything for you below. Any link you click will open it right up into the store that sells it. Most of it's Amazon because I am Amazon crazy. And you can just buy anything. They're all affiliate links. If you buy anything from me, I earn a couple cents. That's it for my favorites. I would love to know what you're using, what you're loving. Have you tried any of this? Let's talk. I answer every comment. I respond to everything in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe. See you real soon. Bye.